kotse ba? Feel kotse na.
Napag-usapan natin nung isang linggo ang mga electrified offerings in the market. Pero what if isa kayo sa mga ready na mag-full dive sa battery electric vehicles? Ano nga ba ang choices nyo? Siyempre, sky's the limit pagdating dyan. Kung gusto mo ng green mobility on a budget, dyan kami papasok. I'm your host Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan, and this is the top list of electric vehicles under 2 million pesos. O alam nyo nang gagawin, ha? Like, subscribe, promote, send sa GC para tuloy-tuloy ang motoring news dito sa Philcoche. Siyempre, the Jetour Ice Cream remains the most affordable option for a full battery electric vehicle. For 699,000 pesos, you're getting a 170 kilometer range and may max speed pa yan na 100 kilometers per hour. So, mabilis ka din makakapunta sa pupuntahan mo. If you want more space, pwede sa inyo ang Dongfang Nanobox EV for 888,000 pesos. May max speed din ito na 100 kilometers per hour pero mas malayo mararating mo with its 351 kilometer range. Also, isang legit na sasakyan na ito dahil isa itong 5-seater, 5-door hatchback. So, kahit adults, kasyang-kasya sa likod. Pero, for the average size Filipino lang. Reaching the million price point is the new VinFast VF5. This startup brand is doing things differently kasi dalawang price tiers nila. The VF5 is available for 1,191,000 pesos pero meron din itong cheaper option na 992,000 pesos lang. Bakit? Kasi meron silang battery subscription model. Dito, magbabayad ka ng monthly fee of around 5,000 pesos, then may sure range ka na 1,500 km doon. Pag bumaba sa 70% ng battery life, papalitan din nila free of charge. Going up the price range, we have two options from BYD. Build your dreams. Ang una ay ang BYD Dolphin that starts at 1,398,000 pesos. Mas malakas ito with an equivalent of 95 horsepower and 180 Nm of torque. Siyempre, dahil EV, instant ang buga niyan pag apak mo ng throttle. And dahil nga mas mahal na ito and mas malaki, it can go 405 kilometers on a single charge. Etong kasunod is where EVs start to really get serious. We have the BYD Atto 3 SUV that starts at 1,598,000 pesos. It has the equivalent of 204 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque for its front wheels. Range is up to 480 kilometers and you can go 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.9 seconds. Mas mabilis pa yan kaysa sa paglabas ni Boss Vincent ng sasakyan niya. What's more, this is a 5-seater compact SUV so maraming space for all occupants pati ang mga gamit nila. Next is another segment breaker in its price point. We have the MG4 that starts at 1,468,888 pesos. Isa rin itong 5-seater crossover and kakaiba rin ang dashboard layout nito. It has a floating center console para sa rotary shifter and another low-lying center divider para sa iba pang gamit. Pagdating sa power and range, this has 170 horsepower of power and kayang umabot ng 350 kilometers on a single charge. Siyempre, as you go up in variants, mas magiging malupit ito, lalo na dun sa X-Power variant niya na may 435 horsepower of power. Naku, Diyos ko, huwag nyo na itry i-floor ang acceleration niyan. Kung gusto nyo naman ng something more familiar, tipong hindi drastic ang changes from your normal car, we have the MG ZS EV priced at 1,838,888 pesos. This one looks like your usual car except wala na siyang grille and iba ang shifter niya sa loob, rotary din, tulad ng MG4. Pero overall, it looks like any other car in the market today, which is a good thing para nga dun sa gusto ng familiarity in a new generation of mobility. Okay din naman ang range nito at 320 kilometers and may power na 176 horsepower. If you're a younger buyer na gusto ng EV that's unique, look no further than the GWM Aura 3. This cute hatchback is clearly inspired by the first Volkswagens and they took it to 2024 by having modern design cues and a modern powertrain syempre. It may be small pero it has 169 horsepower of power and a range of 374 kilometers or 500 kilometers depending on the variant. Kahit yung 374, sakto na yan. Fully loaded pang road trip. Last in our list is another Dongfang. This time, it's the Forting Friday that starts at 1,980,000 pesos. It's similar to the higher-end combustion models in the market dahil sa panoramic screen ito in front of the driver, conventional center console, and nicely textured leather interior. Range starts at 430 kilometers pero meron itong more expensive trim na may 630 kilometers of range. And that's it for this edition of Top List. Ano pa bang mga gusto nyong malaman in motoring? I-comment nyo lang sa baba para matingnan namin. I'm your host Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan na nagsasabing i-follow nyo na ako sa lahat ng mga social media accounts ko. Kita-kits tayo sa next video dito lang sa Philcoche. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching. For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Philcoche na!